Hey y'all, Elle here. Today I'm going to do a quick video on my camping trip to Great Sand Dunes National Park. I camp in my 2014 Subaru Forester that I'm continuously modifying for overlanding. The first 2 days of my trip I spent in Black Canyon of the Gunnison and in the town of Creede along the Rio Grande River. Then the next 2 were at the sand dunes. It had been 10 years almost to the day since I had last been there. I spent the night at the Zapata Falls campground. The view from the campsite was incredible. Cisnagenais, also known as Blanca Peak, loomed overhead, while the San Luis Valley stretched out below for miles and miles. There were mountains near and far in every direction, which is one of the things I love most about this area. I enjoyed the warm glow of morning sun while I made breakfast and was visited by a couple of deer, then headed up to Zapata Falls for a quick hike before making my way back to the sand dunes. As soon as my feet hit that warm sand, it was like I was a kid again. I couldn't help but run and dance and jump and play in the sand and the sunshine. I had such a great time. The weather was beautiful and there was only a slight breeze, so it was just perfect. I'm so glad I had time to make this little trip. It was much needed, and I can't wait for the next one.